Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2017 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.